Was he starting to angle to the right then?
He went. I forget exactly which way he went. I have marks up there. I think that log. Yeah. I walked up there, but I think it went right up there, and then that log right there, right on the other side of that log, there's dog.
Okay. Okay, I gotcha. All right, Timber. Search. Yep, you guys are fine. This one here? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We lost it right up in here.
Where is the blood? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Jeez, that's tiny.
A little bit more than that, but
There was.
Okay.
up there, that's our 6 thing going to.
Okay.
Yeah, you must have one with the hoodie. But I took it off.
Come on. Timber, come on. Come on.
You were trying to cover up that. Yeah. You weren't looking for
What you got, buddy? Something there? I don't see anything. Oh, jeez. Alright, we're at the road, so I'll wait for them to catch up before we cross. Hold on, Timber. Hold on, Timber. Hey, we got blood right here. Yep. Yep. Several drops right here. Good job, buddy. Yep. Right through someone's yard. Good job, Timber. I was gonna say, like, I know he's on the deer now, the way he's tracking. Some blood in there, some up it right there.
Right here, like in that patch of woods, right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, if they don't hunt it, then that's probably a good bedding area for them. Yeah. There's actually quite a bit of blood right there. Some on this log here. All right, Timber, come on, good job. Okay. Oh, he could be even bedded in that corn. They do like to. There's a big bloody bed in here. You guys can come check it out, but I don't think we're gonna find this deer. If it got up out of another bed. I'm messing with him. I mean, it's pretty old too, so he had to have got up on his own.
Yeah.
Right there. Gotcha.
Where at?
Congratulations, buddy.
Oh, what?
He's laying right there.
Oh my.
Hell yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. Congratulations, son. You punk. Thanks, man.
I mess with people all the time.
Hey, guy. Congratulations. I was hoping.
Let me pull him off quick for you. Let me pull him off quick. He usually don't get too mad, but
Look at that. How the heck didn't that thing?
I don't know.
It's not that bad of a shot.
No.
What?
Here, Timber. Come here, Timber.
Good boy.
Yeah,
Good boy, Timber.
For a second, man. Hey, guy.
Good boy, buddy. Good boy, buddy.
Hey.
First buck ever.
What'd you find? What'd you find, buddy?
A
Go
buck.
pick up his antlers. Go pick them up.
Wait, here's your phone.
Go pick up his antlers. Let's see. First buck ever, but guy. Congratulations, kid.
How many?
I don't know, count them for us. Pick it up. You stiff.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah. I got a saw. I'm gonna cut his head off. He's stiff as a board. He died last night, didn't he?
Yep.
All right. It's not as bad as I hear either, is it?
No. He's struggling.
How many points you got, buddy? 5 or 6? 7, 8. That's an 8-pointer.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Make one.
Hey, look here. Yeah. Smile real big. Congratulations, buddy. All right.
Awesome.
That's right here.
Good boy, Timber.
Good job, Timber. Congratulations, guys. Went in there.
Yeah. You don't mind him if he...
No, I don't. I mean, this
All
dude's
right.
no good, is it? You wouldn't got that to keep it, would you?
I would.
You would?
Yeah, it hasn't been that warm. I'd eat it.
All right.
My mom, Dad, Mom looked it up.
He'll probably
and said,
skin most of it for you.
Timber, no.
How do I know it's bad?
Mom looked it up and she said it would be
He
bad.
doesn't know. Yeah, look at his guts.
Okay, so that's why it quit bleeding. Yep, that's why it was bedded down 50 yards away.
No, it reeks.
Yeah, that's smell.
Yeah, I don't know. With the guts being hit, I don't know if I would eat it being 24 hours old. It's probably not worth it.
Yeah.
With the guts being out for 24 hours. Oh, off to the next one. Got about a 45-minute drive.